Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be looking into a problem, find the missing number in an array. So here let's suppose we are given an array having n-1 distinct numbers and basically in the range of 1 to n, we need to find the missing number in it. So it is a very famous interview question where you will see that we are given with numbers from 1 to n. So this n could be, let's say if we are given with this array, here you can see that there are 7 numbers ranging from index 0 to 6. So it's basically the array dot length, which is 7, and here you can see the range is from 1 to n. So here you can see in this 7 numbers we are given a range from 1 to 8 and one number is missing in this, so we need to find that number. So for example, here you can see 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present, 5 is not present, 6, 7 and 8 are present. So basically we are given n-1 distinct numbers, which you can see here, and 1 to n is the range. So here it is from 1 to 8. So here n is 8 and in the array we are provided with n-1, which is 7 numbers. So we need to find one missing number. So here the output would be 5. So this is the missing number from range 1 to 8, which we can see in the array. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So one constraint is we need to find it in O of n time complexity. So let's see how we can find the missing number in this array. So here you can see there is one mathematical formula which can help us in evaluating that what's the missing number in the array. So the mathematical formula is something like the sum of first n natural numbers, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till n, is given by this formula that we simply do n into n plus 1 by 2. So for example, if we want to do sum of first 4 natural numbers, so we can do 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2. So this will give us 4 into 5 by 2, which is 20 by 2, which will be equal to 10. So here you can see 1 plus 2 will give 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is the formula which help us in evaluating the sum of first n natural numbers. So we will use this formula and find the missing number in the array. So for example, let's suppose we are given with these 4 numbers. So if we do array dot length, we will get 4 numbers. And as we are getting 4 numbers, the range will be from 1 to 5. So here you can see the 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 5. So the missing number is actually 4. So now how we can find the missing number is, first, the number of elements are 4 which are present in the array. We do plus 1 to it. So 5 will be the actual final range. So what we will do here is, we will use this formula to calculate the sum. So we will get 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2. So this will give us 30 by 2, 15. So the sum of first 5 natural number is 15. And in order to find the missing number, what we will do is, we will iterate this array one by one. We'll pick each element and we will simply subtract it from the sum. And after subtracting all the elements, whatever number will be left, that will be our answer. Because this is the sum of first 5 natural numbers, and if we are subtracting 4 numbers from it, the leftover sum would be our missing number. So for example, first we encounter 1, so we do 15 minus 1, we get 14. Then we encounter 2, so we do 14 minus 2, we get 12. Then we encounter 3, so we get 12 minus 3, 9, and then we encounter 5. So we do 9 minus 5, which will give us 4. So this 4 will be our answer. So here you can see that this formula is very helpful in many coding problems, and this is one such problem. So here the missing number is 4, which we just evaluated using this mathematical formula. Now let's move ahead and see the algorithm for it. So here you can see the algorithm is very simple. So let's see the demonstration of this algorithm step by step using this array. So before we start, in case if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. So let's say we call find missing number method with this array, and here you can see the size of this array or the length of this array is 7, ranging from index 0 to 6. So if length is 7, we know that the range would be from 1 to 8, and we need to find one missing number in it. So first we evaluate total number of elements present in the range. So if we do array.length, we will get the numbers present in this array, and if we do +1, because this array doesn't have that number which we need to find, so we simply add 1. So n will be 8, and now we will use the formula and calculate the sum. So it will be 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2. It will give us 8 into 9 by 2, which is 9 into 4, which is 36. So sum will be 36. And now we will iterate the array one by one using this for loop. And inside this for loop, we will subtract each number from the sum, and at the end, whatever the sum is left, that will be our answer. So let's see how. First we get number 2. When we subtract 2 from sum becomes 34. Then number becomes 4. 34 minus 4 will give 30. Then number will become 1. 30 minus 1 will give 29. Then number will become 8. 29 minus 8 will give 21. We encounter 6. 21 minus 6 will give 15. Now number becomes 3. 15 minus 3 gives 12. And at the last number becomes 7. So 12 minus 7 will give 5. And then this for loop will end. And whatever the values left in the sum, that will be our missing number. So here you can see 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, 6, 7 and 8 are there. So at the end we'll simply return 5. So this question is frequently asked in the coding interviews. And if you come up with this formula, n into n plus 1 by 2, which is sum of first n natural numbers, then you can easily figure out what's the missing number. So friends, this was all about this question. I hope you must have liked this video. In case if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. Thanks, have a nice day.